Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This summer, we're embarking on a journey. We're going to tame my unruly garden. One of the challenges I currently face is plant blindness. Plant blindness is a term that means when I look out into my yard, I'm largely ignorant of all the names of the plants and flowers that surround me. The term plant blindness was coined about 2 decades ago by botanist and biology educators Elizabeth Schussler and James Wandersee. Plant blindness is the inability to see or notice the plants in one's environment. And a lot of people suffer from it. It's actually much more common than you would think. And you might also be someone who's plant blind. Here's an example. If I showed you a photo of a group of animals, you'd most likely be able to name them almost immediately. But what about a group of plants? For people who are plant blind, it's not as easy. They see literally just a bunch of plants instead of being able to identify each plant by their name, even just their common nickname. For me, sure, I can tell you the difference between a rose and a fuchsia, but a lot of other plants are completely unidentifiable to me. And this summer, we're going to change that. Or at least begin the journey. Because, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to take more than a couple of months to accomplish these goals. And I don't expect to become an expert on plants that quickly. But at least when I look out on my yard, I'll be able to identify some of the plants. Because currently, except for knowing a few major plants, like I said before, I'm just looking at a sea of green when I look at my yard. And that needs to change because my yard needs a lot of work. And if I can't even identify the plants, how will I know what to foster and what to weed out? So together, we're going to explore, learn, and tame my yard. And maybe by the end of summer, we'll have identified a lot of plants that are native to the Pacific Northwest. All right, everyone, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.